Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a huge Sanrio haul. So I've been buying a lot of Sanrio items this month and last month, so this whole summer pretty much, and I have a lot of things to show you. So I have toys, clothes, random items, so if you love Sanrio and you're interested, then keep on watching. So first I think I will start off with all the plushies that I got. So actually I did a Sanrio collection of all the toys that I have with Cinnamoroll, Kuromi, and my Melody. So if you're interested, I will put the link in the description bar below. And of course, every time I see a new plushie that I like, I always get it. First one is this. This is the most adorable Kuromi. There's actually my Melody that looks just like this, so it's my Melody holding a little Kuromi plushie. But this time I'm only going to show you the Kuromi one. This is how she looks like. She has like this little nightgown, and the Kuromi is holding my Melody plushie, which is so adorable. I love this so much, and I think that she's extremely cute, so I'm really happy that I managed to get her. And we got this at a claw machine. Most of my big plushies come from the claw machine. I actually never really bought a big plushie like this at an actual store. So this, I don't remember how long it took us to get her, but she's just adorable, so I had to have her. Also, I got a big Cinnamoroll. So Cinnamoroll is like, along with my Melody, is my #1 character. So this is the most beautiful Cinnamoroll ever. He is Alice inspired. So you know how much I love Alice in Wonderland. So this cinnamon is inspired by Alice. So he has these bunny ears, and his costume is really cute. He has like these cards, yeah, like the heart and spades and stuff on the back. And this is just so freaking cute. I love him so much. So he's one of my favorites. I love all of the Cinnamorolls, honestly, and it's really hard for me to choose the one that I really like, but this one definitely has to be one of my top favorites. A little cinnamon, and this was also from a claw machine, and he is from the Halloween collection. As you can see, he is dressed like a kitty, and this is such a cute thing. I just can't get enough of this. Look how cute he is. I love cinnamon. I love Sanrio. It's just so cute, and it always makes my day better whenever I look at these, so I just love to collect them. So he's gonna go over here. While we are on the cinnamon topic, this one I actually bought at the Sanrio gift gate. He was on sale for only $8, so I just could not buy him. He is a little strawberry. Oh, it's so cute. I just love him so much. And the last plushie that I had is my Melody, and this one is the summer theme, I believe. And she's wearing a yukata for the summertime. This is so cute. I love her little mask over here and the bow and her beautiful little yukata. And this is how she looks like in the back, the little bow. So yeah, this is extremely cute. I also like these kind of things to put on my bag, and she also has like a little charm here. But yeah, so this is my favorite little My Melody. I actually don't really have that many My Melodies in this size. I have a lot of cinnamons, but I don't have a lot of My Melodies, so I'm really glad I got that. And this I also bought at the Sanrio gift gate. And now let's move on to the clothing. So I have actually quite a few things I would like to show you guys. So first thing I got is this t-shirt with Kuromi. So this is just a regular t-shirt for like just to wear around the house, I think. Oh, you can wear it outside, it doesn't really matter. So it has Kuromi in all different emotions, and in the back it also has this little Kuromi print over here and my hair on it. Yeah, and this I bought. This is originally, I think, from the Sanrio store as well. Next item that I want to show you is really exciting. Actually, two items that I really love. The first one is this. I don't know if it will fit, probably not, but this is a big hoodie, but it's freaking huge, and you will think that, okay, it's just a blue hoodie, what's new? But on the sleeves, I'll probably show you separately, but it has Cinnamoroll on the sleeves here. I think this is so cute, and on the other arm as well. It's a really beautiful cinnamon print, and this hoodie, I think it's super long, so you can actually wear it just like as a hoodie dress, but I think I will wear this just around the house, or if I go to like grocery store or something, because hoodies are not really my style, but I just could not buy this. And this is from the shop called Avail, and it was only, I don't know if you can see, but this was only 2,800 yen, so that was a great find. But the next thing I have is way more interesting, and it's this dress. Also from a whale, and this was actually their collaboration with Sanrio, so they came up with a lot of cinnamon My Melody and other characters clothing, but when I went to the store they only had this left, but that was more than I could ever hope for. So it's just a really beautiful dress. It has the open shoulders and the little lace details here in the bow. I feel like black bow is not really the best color choice here, but whatever. And the skirt has cinnamon all over it. It's so cute. He has like a little bows and hearts and he's sitting on a cupcake. And it's so cute. And this I haven't worn yet, but I'm looking forward to wearing this when I go to the Sanrio Pearland. And this was 5,000 yen. One more clothing related item is this. I got these socks at the Sanrio gift gate, and these were only 400 yen. And it has Cinnamoroll and Milk on it, and it's just the cutest thing. Actually, Milk is also one of my top 5 characters, and it's really hard to find any kind of things with Milk, so whenever I see something that has Milk on it, I just have to get it. So got these really cute socks. So that is all for the clothing item, and now let's move on to the other thing. You might be thinking, what is this? And this is actually the newspaper, Sanrio newspaper, which is called Ichigo Shinbun, so strawberry newspaper, and they've been out for many years, 30 years or something, very long time. And the newspaper is only 220 yen, so I will show you some close-ups, but basically it's just this really huge newspaper, and it has some news about new items that are coming out at Sanrio store, or some comics, some behind the scenes of the Sanrio, like Sanrio company or something like that. They always have some comics and posters and everything, and each newspaper comes out monthly. Each newspaper comes with some kind of a gift. So this time, this is the September issue, and it came with these hand fans. So I got this one, and you can see what you're gonna get before you buy the newspaper, so you can always choose the one that you actually want. Mine is in the other room and I forgot to take it, so this is the one that I got this time, but you can choose if you want to have Hello Kitty or My Melody or anybody else. So this is the September issue. Well, I have this July issue, which looks like this. The July issue was came with these pouches right here, so you could choose the one that you want, but unfortunately when I came they didn't have that much of a choice, and the one that I ended up getting is this one. So just a little Ziploc pouch, and it has these characters on this side and these characters on this side, and it's just a regular like Ziploc baggie like this, and I think that's really cute. And for 220 yen, which is like $3, you get a cool newspaper and a gift. That's like the best thing in the world. This is the May issue, and it looks like this, and you could get these things. So this is like a card case. I decided to go with these ones. So this is Kuromi and Gudetama. I used to be a big fan of Gudetama, now it's not really my style anymore, but this is how they look like, and I particularly got it because of Kuromi, so you get 2 at once. And you can just put the card in here, so there's like a little slot for your card. I think this is super cute. Yesterday I went to Sanrio Giftgate, and they had like so many back issues from like previous months, and I decided to get all the ones that I could find. And I haven't opened them yet, so let's open them together. So this is the first one, and this is the August issue, and it has Pochacco on it. I haven't read through this yet, so I have no idea what's inside. And each magazine or each newspaper usually comes with a poster, so this time it's Pochacco poster. I have My Melody and Wish Me Well posters on my wall over there, so every time I would put something on it. Oh my god! On the back of the Pochacco poster you have a cinnamon. Oh, this is definitely going on my wall. I love this. So it's a cute little cinnamon. This is a little bag with My Melody and Kuromi. So it looks like this. It's in a plastic bag right now, but it's just a little bag. I don't know what you're gonna put in this, but this could be like a cool bag to take to the convenience store or something if I just want to get a few things. So I love this. So this is how the June issue looks like. And oh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to read through this. So the poster, oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever. Look at this, guys. This is the strawberry news, like all of the characters on here. This is so cute. Oh my god. And on the other side, what is on the other side? On the other side is this. Oh my god. Like, how can you put on the same paper? Are you kidding me? Well, this is definitely going on my wall too. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And the gift that came with the June issue is this, and these are stickers. So we have the Kuromi and my melody piano. Now let's open the next one, and this is the January issue, so I could go all the way back. And let's open. And of course, this is so cute. I just love this so much. So let's see what the poster looks like in here. Okay, so this is the poster. It has like two types of my melody here. So what's this? This is like a little postcard that looks like this, and there's some stickers with Lala, and I have one more. So this is the April issue. So this is how the April issue looks like, and this is what you could get, like all of the gifts on the back. Now that I look at it, I really wish I could have gotten the cinnamon one over here, because that is just incredibly cute. But the one that I ended up getting is this, and this is a file, like a document file or paper file with Kuromi. So this is how she looks like on one side, and this is how she looks like on the other side. So that's all for the Ichigo newspaper. Now let's move on to the items that I got at the Sanrio gift gate. So actually I have whatever is left in this video. There's Sanrio gift gate haul and the 100 yen store haul. So first we'll do the Sanrio gift gate. So first I got this little bag, and this is where all my stuff is inside. This is like a little, I'm not sure what this is for. I think this is like to put your swimming suit or something, so you can like tie it like this, but I got this just because it had all the cinnamon characters. So this is how it looks like. As I said before, if I see anything that has milk, I'm gonna get it. So I got that, and it has all of the cappuccino, mocha, chiffon, and everybody else. And here they are in a car. And this was about $3. So first, I got this, and this is the point card case. And you might be wondering, what is this? And whenever you buy something at the Sanrio gift gate, they give you like this little tiny charm or something, like a small item that you can choose which character you want. So I got a little My Melody pad. This is so cute. So this is, I will show you a close-up, but this is just a little point card case with My Melody, and this was 600 yen. I think this was a really good deal. Is this, and this is a letter set with Cinnamoroll. So this was 450 yen plus taxes, and you open it up like this and you get a bunch of different items with cinnamon. So we have, since this is a letter set, you get like a little envelope, little cards, some stickers, and some paper. And this, like this, if you look at this, like how can you not want this? Especially if you're a Sanrio fan. But this is so cute. I think just as a regular person who doesn't know anything about Sanrio, this would be appealing too, because it's just so cute. In Sanrio gift gate, they have a point system. So whenever you buy something, you get points, and then you can exchange those points for some things. So this time I exchanged my points, I think 450 points or something, I exchanged for the Cinnamoroll little notebook. And it's just a simple little notebook that has blue pages and cinnamon on the corner. I think this is so cute, and yeah, this you cannot buy, you can only exchange for points, and they always change the items that you can use for points, so I decided to get this while I can. So that's all of the stuff that I got at the Sanrio gift gate, and now finally let's move on to the 100 yen. So first I got this, and this is a 2021 calendar, and this I got at Can Do, which is a 100 yen shop. And this calendar looks like this, and every month you get a different character. So I think sometimes they sell like just My Melody or just Cinnamon or just Kuromi kind of calendar, but I decided to get the one that has all of the characters on it, and this was only 100 yen, $1. So yeah. So this is a little, what is this? Fastener case. So it comes with My Melody, the little one, and a tiny little bit bigger one. And you can put anything here, so you can put like band-aids or hairpins or something. And I think this is really cute, and you always need like a little case for something really small, so I thought that this is cute. But honestly, when it comes to Sanrio items, I never really need a justification reason, like any justification to why I should buy this. If I see it, I buy. So I'm just uncontrollable. And then I got this. This is from Sanrio, and this is the Partition Care Case Wide with my melody. This is how it looks like, and it's just like a little case with small compartments, and you can put anything you want, really. Next, I got this. This is the Sanrio Characters Frost bag, and this comes with 6 bags in it. And the design on this one was just too cute to handle. Look at their little like circle characters. I love this. This is so cute, and this you can use to put like gifts if you're giving somebody a small gift, or if you want to store something, or just to have it, honestly. And again, 100 yen, it cannot get better than that. Then I got this. This is another zipper bag, and I could not resist this either because this has cinnamon and cupcakes and donuts and stuff. So this was super cute, and you get 6 bags, and as shown in the bag here, you're supposed to put like any small items like safety pins, band-aids, candy, whatever you want. Next is this, and I have a few of these around my house. So this is a lid for the wet tissues. So when you open a wet tissue case, you rip off that thing, that like the clasp, and then you stick this on, and you can open it with this kind of lid. And they have different designs as well. They have different characters, and yeah, I decided to get this my melody one this time. And these are a little bags, so actual little bags with my melody. And yeah, this is super cute. You get 5 bags, and this is in the S size. Next and last stationery thing is this, and I could not believe my eyes when I saw this at Can-Do. This is the little agenda, a planner for 2021. So it starts from December this year, and it goes until January 2022. And each page is designed so beautifully. It has the Cinnamoroll and Cinnamoroll characters and his friends. And it's just a really small, tiny, very handy planner that you can carry in your bag. I'm a huge planner addict, and it's funny because I always keep getting new planners and like cute notebooks and stuff, but I prefer the digital planning system. Don't even ask, but this was only 100 yen, guys. Like, this is insane. So I got this, and I don't regret this, and I'm gonna try to find a way to use it. Maybe I'll use this for work only or something. I have a few items left, and those are the Kiki and Lala makeup. Sanrio had a collaboration with Kiki and Lala, and they created a bunch of makeup items, and that came out like a few months ago, and I could not find it anywhere. And last week I went shopping to a different shopping mall, and they had it, and I regret not buying everything I saw. I just got one of each. I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway. So first I want to show you is this eyeshadow, and it's just a shimmery, sparkly eyeshadow, and it's just a good topper eyeshadow, I think, and I love the design on this. I wish I bought more color. These 2 items. So this is lip gloss, and it looks like this. It's a really beautiful like light pink color, and the packaging is just incredible. I don't know how this could be sold for 100 yen, because this is just ridiculous. And the same kind of design, just with a pink cap. This is a liquid cheek color. So I got like the reddish color, but the bottles look exactly the same. So you can kind of confuse them, but I feel like you can use both for lips and cheeks. This, and this is an eyebrow pencil, and it looks like this. It's so cute. I just cannot believe this even exists. And the eyebrow pencil looks like this. So it actually has a pretty thick kind of pencil lead, but I like that. And they had different shades, so they had like light hair, dark hair kind of thing. That is all that I got. I know this is a lot of stuff, and this was a super long video, but if you watched until the end, thank you so much. I hope you like this video, and if you like Sanrio as well, let me know who is your favorite character in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. and I see you in the next video. Bye bye!